It's White Tech and thank you for choosing this video. I'm going to do a review on this app. Now, when you go to their site, what you are going to see says and watching videos. So get paid for watching short videos. So we have here to be hot start earning, and you just scroll down, you see our benefits, save and without investment, additional income in USD, take advantage of new source of income and doesn't require much time. So this is user friendly. So this is how the site look like. Now let's move on to this site here, and when you click here you see career, contest, affiliate program, and then contact us. They also have affiliate program. Okay, so let's see how we'll be able to make money from this platform. So you just hit on sign up here. So this is how it looks like. So you create your account, or you can sign up with Google. So let's use Google to sign up. So this is how it looks like. Okay, add a payup website to your home screen. So you can decide to add this to your home screen as an app. So you have here payout history, and then you have withdrawals, and then as you can see, this is the fresh account that I have just created now. Okay, so everything is on set. So this is how you'll be able to create this. You'll be able to create your account from this platform, and then you start earning. So let's see how you're going to earn. So as you can see here, dashboard, we have YouTube, we have referral, we have payout. So let me take you to their payout. See, this is how it look like. Withdrawal terms. Okay, so by payee, okay, and then add v cash, and then Tron TRS, and then so these are the payment method that they are using to pay their people who perform taxi. Minimum withdrawal amount. Okay, so when you look at the withdrawal details, you see that each of these withdrawal details have their minimum amount. So payee, you can withdraw when you get $1, and then advance can withdraw when you get to $1, and then the minimum amount is what $1, with the exception of this one, that's Dogecoin, which is $0.5. So this is how the app look like, and they are saying you can make money by just watching some videos from this platform. So guys, if you want to work here, please, you just have to come here, make your checks, detailed analysis of it before you start to perform any tax on this platform. So this is how it looks like. So when you go to YouTube views, these are what the videos are here. So you just watch this video, and then you'll be credited with amounts of money. So you have daily bonus, then you have read rules. So you just have to read the rules too before you undertake any tax on this platform. So guys, this is how the platform look like and how you'll be able to work to earn. See you. Bye bye.